The skinny fat problem. Causes and solutions. By the end of the video you will know about the skinny fat problem, its underlying causes, and effective solutions to transform your physique. If you've been struggling with a body that appears thin but lacks muscle definition and carries excess fat, this guide will help you understand and address the issue. Understanding the skinny fat problem. A skinny fat physique is characterized by a slim appearance with a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass. This condition can be frustrating and challenging to manage, as it combines the issues of both excess fat and insufficient muscle tone. Causes of skinny fat. Lack of resistance training. One of the primary causes of a skinny fat physique, the absence of resistance or strength training in one's fitness routine. Without regular weight training, muscles do not grow or maintain their mass, leading to a higher body fat percentage, even in individuals who appear thin. Poor nutrition. A diet high in processed foods and low in protein can contribute to a skinny fat condition. Consuming insufficient protein, your body lacks the necessary nutrients to repair and build muscle, while excess processed foods can lead to fat accumulation. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle with minimal physical activity promotes muscle atrophy and fat gain. Long periods of sitting and the lack of regular exercise contribute to a skinny fat body type. Genetics. Genetics play a significant role in determining body composition. Some individuals are predisposed to store fat more easily and have a harder time building muscle, making it more challenging to achieve a balanced physique. Solutions to the skinny fat problem. Step 1. Balanced nutrition. To effectively address a skinny fat physique, prioritize a balanced diet that supports both muscle growth and fat loss. Protein intake. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle repair and growth. Include sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and protein supplements. Complex carbohydrates. Focus on whole grains, vegetables, and fruits for sustained energy. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Step 2. Strength training. Implement a structured strength training program, focusing on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, leading to significant muscle growth and fat loss. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dimetize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. By the end of this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to tackle the skinny fat problem. Stay dedicated, be patient, and embrace the process of achieving your fitness goals. Good luck on your journey to a fitter, healthier you.